friends! Welcome to my channel Painting Hyun. I try to make this channel for people to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. If this is you, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. For today's painting, I will be painting wildflowers in oil painting. This is a free drawing. I used with 2B and 4B pencils, and I will use these materials, colors, cadmium yellow, sap green, burnt sienna, ultramarine deep, and white. Medium for mixing colors is Liguin and brushes. I'm going to start with the background first, and I'm mixing burnt sienna and sap green with fan brushes, and then paint background gently. A mixture sap green and yellow, and paint to foreground. I'm still using a fan brush. Change brush to round small brush. I'm taking burnt sienna and yellow. Draw in foreground. Draw in foreground is gonna be this area to bushes, leaves, and stem of the flowers. Next step is taking off the colors on the flowers area as round shape. I'm using paper towel now. You can use any sort of tissues. This is gonna be flowers, so I want to make in different size of round and different distance between flowers. Now I'll start coloring the flowers. The flowers in the front is drawn larger than the flowers in the back. Mixing ultramarine blue and white. Paint in the flowers area. I'm adding a little bit of burnt sienna in the paint in the center of the flowers. And then get some more bluish white, colored the bottom of the flowers. And I'm gonna paint the second, third, and all flowers in the same colors and in the same way. So I'm using white and ultramarine. And then I'm taking some more paint. Can make texture easier. The texture of oil painting looks charming, so I like that texture in oil painting. and draw a little dark area again, and then paint a part of the dark flowers. I'm using blue mix white, so blueshy white. I wanted to create contrast in the background, so mixture sap green and burnt sienna and also ultramarine, and paint here and there and paint over the background. And then I'm gonna draw stems, taking a little of burnt sienna and draw the stem. This is a small buds. I'm painting burnt sienna colors. And then I'm going to try very little light color, so yellow mix and white. So I'm draw bushes and leaves of the flowers. This painting is almost done, so I draw very far in the distance flowers. So lastly, I'm using brushy, draw the small of square dots on the background near flowers and between flowers. This makes the painting look more airy and nature. This is final touch-up, very light color on the stems. Okay, this painting all done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.